Welcome to Hong Kong. For sure, this is one of the most important business cities and financial hubs in the world. Always dynamic, 8 million of people living there, and millions of other people working and coming into the city for business, for tourism, and for dealing with China. But between all those millions of inhabitants, there are also some small animals which you might find someday if you're looking for. Just behind the famous buildings of HSBC, Standard Charters and the Bank of China, you may find them in the afternoon or during the day. Like the small squirrels here in Charter Garden, in the Battery Park, directly on the road, the garden road just behind the Bank of China. They are all here. Birds, squirrels, small animals, but also snakes. Sometime in the afternoon, they are quite happy when some people came and bring them some nuts and peanuts for feeding. Hong Kong is an amazing city for doing business and for living, and a gate into the Chinese market. Could you imagine to find these cute small animals just in the middle of one of the most dynamic and tactical cities in the world? If you do have the time, then just stop for a moment, have a walk up to the Garden Road or the Albert Road and have a look. Maybe you also will be able to find those small inhabitants of Hong Kong